your lunch and stop to the sleep.
Oh, you're not even hungry. I have been starving for a billion years. I need food ASAP.
You guys, need food. Then could I brought our school of snack. That feels like
Bro, I'm tired from playing basketball. All day I played.
Bro, you're not even close to dead, bro. I'm been running for 1,000 miles and I'm still going strong.
What's up, bro? Stop up, bro. Stop investing your talent. I've been living for a million hours. Straight, my eyes are going to fall out from staring at the screen.
Can I tell you something? Did you know about the math quiz that we did? Oh yes, can you say that my score right? Yeah, that's right. But do you want to know a secret? Sure, take what it is. I cheated on the exam. Here's the that I got out of the bag. So you cheated the exam. Wait, were your inks dropping in our conversation? All up. There is cheating on the exam. That's why you were biased. You know that was wrong. But now it's not even problem. You can find out what it on your own.
you million times already. Black. You not listen.